What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Imani here, back for another video. I hope you guys didn't miss me too much. It's been like 2 whole days, oh my god. But anyway, so I posted a picture of a little smoothie that I have been drinking in the mornings. It didn't get a lot of likes or comments, but I did get some of y'all sliding into my DMs asking me about the ingredients in my smoothie. So I figured, you know what? Let me make a video on this detox drink that I have been drinking the last few days that has already been showing so many benefits to it. I have lost a few pounds already in like the 4 days that I've been drinking it, so I ain't mad. So it is a super easy homemade smoothie. A lot of y'all might already have these ingredients in your cabinet. If not, they're super cheap at your local supermarket, so definitely go out and buy. Really quick, really easy to make. It takes like 5 minutes to make before I head out to work. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, hit that bell as well so that you are notified every time a new video is posted. I'm getting more consistent, guys, with making new videos, so definitely hit that bell so you know exactly when I make a new video. All right, let's go. So I have some notes here that I took, just like what the benefits are for each ingredient that I have in here. Besides the fruit, like we all know fruit is good for you. I mean, it's a carb and it has sugar, but it's natural sugar and natural carbs, so we just gonna X that out. But as far as the other ingredients go, so please don't mind if I'm looking down, just so I can read it and not ramble. So the first thing I do, I don't measure any of my things anymore. So what I do is I just take, this is like the small NutriBullet cup, and I just take my mixed fruit. It's mixed frozen fruit, and I put like enough that's filling halfway in the cup. It's more than halfway, it's like closer to the top. And the mixed fruit I use is just like a regular frozen bag of mixed fruit. It is pineapple, strawberries, mangoes, and peaches. No sugar added. So the first ingredient besides the fruit that I'm adding is ginger. I have this ginger root here, and I'm going to add just a tiny bit of ginger into this. So I just cut off this. So the awesome thing about ginger is, besides like the weight loss, we already know that this smoothie is gonna help with weight loss, right? But ginger also helps with digestion. It helps with nausea or like morning sickness. It also helps with muscle pains. It lowers your cholesterol. Anybody, I know a few of my friends are actually dealing with some cholesterol issues. Ladies, it helps reduce menstrual pains. I know that my cramps feel like I'm going through labor and delivery all over again every month, and ginger definitely has helped cut that back. And last but certainly not least, it's an anti-inflammatory spice. So this is that spice that's really helping to get that inflammation down, controlled. You do need some inflammation. If you didn't know that, that's like a whole, we don't have to talk about that right now, but that is what's helping with that swelling and everything. So next I'm gonna add a little bit of ground turmeric. I just add a sprinkle of turmeric, a little more than a sprinkle, but a sprinkle of turmeric into my mixture. This is also anti-inflammatory. You have improved brain function with turmeric, which is something I really need after having my son. My memory is like all the way completely shot. And it increases your antioxidant capacity to help fight off the bad things in your body, help fight off those colds and all that other stuff. You get those natural antioxidants with turmeric. So next I'm gonna add a little bit of ground flaxseed. And again, I am not measuring anything. I just kind of eyeball it. I put quite a bit of flaxseed in my drink. You can see. And I love flaxseed. Flaxseed has a ton of nutrients, you guys. It has a ton of protein, a ton of fiber. It's really high in omega-3 fats. As you guys know, you're supposed to eat healthy fats in order to burn fat. So those fats you find like in salmon, avocado, flaxseed, those things are good. Helps with your cholesterol as well. It helps lower your blood pressure, which is something that I always look for because I've had pretty bad blood pressure issues since having AJ, so I'm always looking for things to help with that. Helps control that blood sugar, so that way you're not like at risk for diabetes. And of course, it keeps the hunger at bay, so that's one of the biggest perks when you're trying to look for something to help you lose weight. It does keep your hunger at bay, so that way you're not just like binge eating for no reason. and you're gaining weight because of that. Last but not least, I'm gonna just shake it up. I use some apple cider vinegar. And I know you guys, if you are like a fitness health like follower, then you know the benefits of apple cider vinegar. But if you're not, then what you don't know is that apple cider vinegar, I use this on everything. Everything, my hair, my skin, I drink it. I don't drink it straight though. Don't drink this straight. But it just has so many benefits to it. On top of the added benefits that all the other things have, like lowering your blood sugar, to help diabetes, it helps reduce belly fat. Like throw some apple cider vinegar in like everything and you will see that belly fat start to go away after like a week or two. It helps improve your heart health and it helps kill like harmful bacteria, so that's why a lot of people tend to use apple cider vinegar when they're cooking food to help with like E. coli and things like that. So it helps kill off those bad bacteria in your body as well. Again, I'm not measuring. I'm just gonna throw that in there. Just enough. I would say that's maybe like 2 tablespoons that I put in. And then I'm gonna just go fill this up with some water. I fill it up with a lot of water, like probably to the top, because I like to drink my smoothie. Like I don't want to chew it. I'm lazy. I don't want to do all that. So yeah, as you see, I filled it up with a crazy amount of water, and it probably is not even gonna be enough. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys, surprisingly that was enough. Usually I need like a ton of water and I have to keep going back. Oh, but now it's not gonna open. Ah! And voila, we have our delicious, nutritious detox smoothie, y'all, and it's filling. I usually have it with like a banana for breakfast and I am good for a few hours. Well, I did that real good today. Martha freaking Stewart over here. So I'm actually just gonna put it into my mason jar now because I have somewhere to go. And I'm just gonna drink it on the way to my destination. Get in there. Get in there. And I have a little extra. I got a little extra. So that is how I make my detox smoothie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. If you like videos like this, some more like, you know, recipe videos, definitely leave that in the comments below. Give this video a like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Help me get there, you guys. Come on. Join the family. And then other than that, I will see you guys for my next video. Bye.